Greetings, Atlanta Technical College staff and faculty. This is Miss Lee, your online learning coordinator, and today we're going to talk about the program that we have integrated into Blackboard that is called Ally. Ally is used to detect the course accessibility features to ensure that your course is going to be properly accessible for your students. So the first thing we're going to do is look at a video that explains to you what Ally is and how it works and kind of gives you an overview of the features that are available that will help you get your course to 100% accessibility if there are any issues detected by the program.
Ally produces an accessibility score for each file you upload to your course. Let's take a look. An icon indicates the level of accessibility. A high score, indicated with a green icon, means your file is more accessible, while a red icon means your file is less accessible. Select the icon to view the accessibility score. Ally shows you a preview of the document's content, as well as detailed feedback and support to help you fix your accessibility issues. Use the tools above the preview to explore the issues in your document. You can also select all issues to see every issue in the file. This view shows you how much the score can improve by fixing each issue. Select Fix to learn more about each accessibility issue and why it's important to fix. You can also follow step-by-step instructions to learn how to fix the issues in your preferred software. And finally, after you've fixed each issue, you can upload the updated file to replace the existing one.
Okay, so we've seen how Ally works. So let's look at it inside of a live course. I'm going to switch over to an older FYE course that I taught at one point, and I have put in a Chapter 6 PowerPoint that was not accessible. You have to make sure that you go in and look at this information because a lot of your PowerPoints that are provided with your book or with your software or given to you as some sort of package deal, we need to ensure that those are going to be accessible. As we can see here, this one has the red icon. So if we're in a live course and we see this icon, what you need to do is put your mouse over it. And once you have the cursor there, click on it. And as you can see, it opened the screen that we just saw in the video. Here at the top, it shows that there are 3 different errors that have been detected. And if we scroll down, it will point us to all 3 of those errors. Okay? And so basically here it's telling you that they are images without a description. If someone who needs additional accessibility features were to hover over the items, the accessibility readers will normally tell them what they're hovering over with the cursor. Okay, so text that the text readers are not going to read for them. Instead, there's going to be an image there. So if they hover the cursor over the image, the accessibility reader should tell them this is an image of the word P. OWER, which is power. So that's the way most accessibility features work when students have them turned on the computer, and that's why they have the importance of adding a description of an image, or if you have colors there, you put in those what they call alternate tags so that the students can still navigate the cursor around the screen and the accessibility reader will tell them everything that's there. So here you have the help screens here that will say, well, what does this mean? How do I add the descriptions? And so it tells you what you need to do. You need to find the original PDF document. So it's asking you yes or no. Do you have it? And then it will go to explain how to go in and add the different tags. So I say, yes, I have access to the PDF. And then it opens up more options to show you how to go and open it up and how to make all the changes. And then after you make the changes, you want to upload a new document and it will scan it for you again. Okay, so if you don't have the PDF, you can also tell it no. and it says the alternative formats will be made available to students for this document. However, this can be inaccurate and should not be considered a final solution. So the system actually tries to help you if you don't have access to the actual file. It will try to show you what you need to see so that you can still figure out a way to keep the documents that you have and be able to continue to use them in the course. Is your basic overview of iLi. It pretty works the same way with all of your documents. Anytime you see the icon, you want to click on the symbol and open up these options and go through to figure out what you need to do to fix the document. Holly and I have several accessibility documents that lay out how to alter these documents or correct these documents so that they will be correct when you upload them back into Blackboard. So if you use your accessibility folder in the FLC, you should find plenty of things there to help you change the documents around. Also, we are offering face-to-face courses that you can come to where we're going to talk about iLi. We're going to go over how to go to each thing and make those corrections. So we want to welcome you to come to the face-to-face course, or if you like to do things more independently, please access that accessibility folder. If you have any questions or concerns, again, you can send us an email at onlinesupport@atlantatech.edu. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for listening.